In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add chapters to your YouTube video, making it easier for your viewers to navigate through your content. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is head over to YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio is the hub for managing all your YouTube content, from uploading videos to tweaking those all-important settings. To get to YouTube Studio, make sure you're logged into your YouTube account and then click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select YouTube Studio. Once you're there, you'll see a dashboard with all your videos listed. The next step is finding the specific video you want to add chapters to. On the left side of the YouTube Studio dashboard, you'll see a menu. Click on Content, which will bring up a list of all your uploaded videos. Scroll through this list until you find the video you have in mind. The search bar at the top can also be quite handy if you have a larger library of content. Once you've located your video, it's time to edit it. To do this, hover over the video and you should see a pencil icon labeled Details appear. Go ahead and click on that. This is where the magic happens. You can add descriptions, tags, and of course, chapters. Now, let's get ready to set up those chapters for your video. Scroll down the page and keep an eye out for the Automatic Chapters section. This is usually a checkbox that, when selected, allows YouTube to automatically generate chapters based on the content of your video. While this feature is both clever and convenient, you might also consider adding chapters manually for more precise control. Should you notice that the automatic version doesn't align perfectly with your intended content breakdown. Once you've made sure that the automatic chapter feature is activated, it's crucial to save your changes. Look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a blue Save button. Click this to ensure all your adjustments are securely stored. Don't forget this step, as any unsaved changes might result in you having to redo your work. By following these steps, you've successfully added chapters to your YouTube video, which will give your audience the flexibility to navigate through your content seamlessly. Viewers often appreciate being able to skip to specific parts of a video that are most relevant to them, enhancing their overall experience and potentially increasing the viewing time on your channel. So there you have it, a straightforward way to make your YouTube videos more user-friendly and engaging. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore more features within the YouTube Studio to further enhance your content.